Hi everyone, I am Shubham Garg and welcome back to the lecture series for blockchain. So in today's lecture we are going to see some practical aspect of blockchain, that is we will be creating our own local blockchain and we will try to send and receive ethers. Okay, that is we are going to use Ethereum. Alright, so let us begin by the tools installation. So here you can see on the slides. Yeah. Just a second. Yeah, okay, so here are the tools that we need to install for the demo. Okay, we don't need to install all of these tools, we just need to install this Ganache. Okay, that is this tool, and we need to install this Metamask. Alright, and obviously the Chrome browser if you don't have it. So these three tools we need to install. Alright, it is very easy to install these. This is the link for Ganache and it will directly give the option to download. I will paste the link in the description. Alright, Metamask I have told you already how to install. I have taught you in the previous video. Okay, otherwise it is also easy. You just need to go towards that link and from the exchange it will take you towards the Chrome extension and you need to add it. So this is how your Metamask will look like. So here you can see this is the Ganache and you need to click on download for Windows. So just click on download for Windows, it will get downloaded, and once it is downloaded you can open the Ganache. So once you open the Ganache it is going to look something like this. Let me show you the screenshot. See, this is how it is going to create this image. That is this is how it will look like. It will create 10 accounts in a blockchain, which are there in 10 networks of a blockchain. That is a local blockchain network having these 10 accounts, which will be having some of the ethers. And you can see in this screenshot transaction have been done from this. They will be having 100 ethers by default, and here a transaction has been done from this account to this account. That's why it is 99 and it is 101, and you can see the transaction count 1 here. Okay, so this is how Ganache will look like. So I will just open Ganache from my side, and meanwhile the Ganache will be opening. I will show you how to set up that Metamask. Alright, so let the Ganache get open. So once Metamask is downloaded, it will come here in the Chrome extension. So you need to just click it and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, so here, see, on clicking it, it is redirecting to the Metamask page. So here you will have this same page. So just click on I agree to Metamask, and here you have two options: create a new wallet and import an existing one. So I will show you how to create a new wallet, and basically I won't be creating a new wallet. What happens that in wallet creation it will have a two-way security, that is one with the password, your password, and other will be a 12 or 16 word seed phrase. That is a phase of random words, and for example, if your system gets formatted or you remove the extension from Chrome or something, then your wallet can be imported with that phase. Alright, so it is very important to keep that phase in a same place, because if that phase is lost, that 12 word phase is lost, you will not be able to recover your account in any case. Alright, so just need to click I agree. Okay, before that let me show you the import an existing wallet option. You will see it will ask for the seed phase. So I agree. You can see here it is for the security, it is saying I have a 12 word phase. Alright, so I will show you an example of writing my own 12 word phase to recover this account. Okay, so this is how this account is basically recovered. So first of all I will show you how to create a wallet. Here is the create a wallet option. Click on I agree, and here you will be create a password. Okay, and you need to confirm the password. So I have created a password and I have confirmed it. So here this password will be using for login. Now here it is also going to use a short video to learn about the security recovery phase. Alright, so you need to go click on this secure my wallet option. All right, so here you will go for secure my wallet, and here now you can see this is your 12-word phrase. So you need to make sure that no one is looking, and this is your 12-word phrase, and you can click on reveal secret recovery phrase. Okay, so I am not going to reveal any secret recovery phrase right now. Okay, once you confirm it, you will have your wallet. All right, so this is how you create a wallet from MetaMask. Once your wallet is created, you will see it is going to look like this. So you can see this is how this thing is going to look. And Ganache is started. So once Ganache is started, just click on quick start Ethereum. So it is going to create a local blockchain. Meanwhile, I will show you in this MetaMask. So these are the networks, different kind of networks. So you see this is the Ethereum mainnet. That is a main Ethereum blockchain. All right, you can actually send or receive ethers at this network. And basically, if you want to send or receive ethers, you need to use this network. So this is an original network. So we can't make transactions on original network because we need to have actual ethers. But we are not having that. So we will create a local blockchain using Ganache, and that we are going to use for our network. All right, so you can see here local blockchain is there, and you can see as it is already in my Chrome. So for welcoming back, it is asking only for password. All right, and if by chance this extension has removed or something, I need to import it using the recovery phrase, as you saw just a few minutes before. All right, so I will just accept. Okay, yeah, so you see this is some of the transactions during March 25, 26 and all. Anyways, there are different accounts here. So all of these are having 0 ethers. Let me just switch the network. Let's see in this account. So I will let's see our Ganache. Yeah. So you can see now our Ganache is working, and you can see that these are giving all this network ID, gas limit, server and everything, and these are the addresses and balance. As I told you that this is 100 ethers. All right, so here you can see the keys, that is the account address and the private keys. As I told you that the blockchain has 2 keys, private and public key. So we will be using the address of the account for sending, that is for as a public key, and we have our private keys. All right, so now let's go back to the slides. Okay, just a second. Okay, so yeah, anyways, so now what we need to do is you need to add this thing to our MetaMask, that is add the local blockchain network in MetaMask by entering this RPC URL chain ID. Okay, so these are the values, default values, which you need to add. Okay, so let's add this thing. So in the MetaMask, first of all, default values is this, that is the chain ID. So just open your MetaMask. And click on add network. So it will give you an option to add a network. So we will be adding this network from Ganache. All right. So here when you scroll down, you will be having an option add a network manually. Just go to network manually, go to add a network manually, name your network. We are going to name it Ganache _2. Now in RPC URL, you need to add that value. All right. So here you need to add this value and the chain ID as 1337. All right. So this you need to add. And the chain ID is 1337. Yeah, this thing sometimes can happen. And for the currency symbol, just write ETH. Yeah. So basically, it is not fetching the chain ID. What you can do, sometimes this can happen. So just use this chain ID, which is mentioned in Ganache. That is this networking ID, and you can also try using this URL. This URL is currently used by Ganache. Put your fetch ID 1337. Okay, see, it is saying it is being used by localhost 8545. So it is correct. Just write 8545. And for the ID, just try 5777. And again, just try to write 1337. Yeah, so just refresh it. This thing can happen to you as well, so don't worry about it. You will add a network. Let's name it Ganache, and this is our URL, chain ID 1337. See, this time, okay, it showed the error. Okay, yeah, so now it is okay. It again showed the error. Let's see, it is saying that connecting to Ganache. We can't connect to Ganache, switch networks. Let's try to connect some networks here as well. Let's see if it is allowing us to add a network. You can see the already networks which are connected here having these specifications. That is RPC URL as 7545 and this one is having 8545. So these are already connected. Okay, it is showing the error in connected one as well. So that's okay. So I guess that's okay. We will try to make some transactions. Let's see why this one is not connecting. I guess it is actually, I have already connected this Ganache network, that's why it is not connecting. Let me just do one thing. Let me just create another MetaMask account. Okay, because I have already added this, I guess that's why it is not connecting. So I will create another MetaMask account here only. Okay, so I have already created a password here. So I will just pause the video here. I will take this write this secret recovery phrase and then I will show you how to connect. Okay, that is with your MetaMask account. So in a minute, so you see, after noting down your secret recovery phase, what it is going to do, it is going to ask some of the words of that secret recovery phase. So I recommend you to save it to some safe place. Okay, after that you will see wallet creation successful message. So just click got it, and click on next and done. So now you are done. Okay, so you see by default you are on the Ethereum mainnet. So again here you are going to do add network. Okay, and you need to click on add network manually. So here you are going to write the network name, that is Ganache. RPC URL you are going to give this one. Okay, we will first try with this one, otherwise we will try with 8545. So this is our RPC URL and chain ID 1337. I guess it is fine till now. See, yeah, that's why there was problem. So now this is the RPC URL, this is the chain ID and everything. Just click on save. Okay, so once you click on save, the account, this network is added, and you can see you have switched on Ganache. Alright, so now next thing what you need to do is you need to import account. Alright, so here you can see on clicking this account one, you have the option to import account. Okay, so just click on import account and you need to add your private key string here. Okay, so here you can see, let's say we import this account. So here you need to click on show key, and this is the private key. So just click on done, and here you need to add and import. So you see we have this account imported and we have 100 ethers, right? So you see this is the address of the account, that is 0x318 up till 4894, and when we go to Ganache we can see 0x318 up till 4894. Now let's see, we need to send some ethers in another account. Alright, so here we have 100 ethers and we need to click on send. So here we are going to add the public address of the account. Okay, so here let's say we use this account. So I will just copy this address and I am going to paste it. And you can see it is showing the amount of ether. Let's say I add 1 ether. And here, okay, this is a second. I'm going to send 1 ether. So I click on next, and you can see it is sending the ether. So we just need to confirm. There is this gas fee, that is for the mining fee. Okay, that is there in every transaction. So you can see it is sending 1 ether, and we can speed up by spending more, but it's okay, it is sent. And now you see here the balance is updated, that is here it is 99 ether and here it is 101 ether. Now let's see when I try to send more ethers than I have. So I will just let's say I have 99 ethers, that is 98 point something. Let's try to send 100 ether. You see it is showing insufficient funds. Okay, so this is how we cannot double spend or spend more than that we have. All right, so this is how these ethers are sent and received in a blockchain network. All right, you can see the balance getting updated here, and you can test it on your own systems at your local server. Okay, just since it is on a local server, so this updation will be happening only on your machines. All right, it won't be like if you use 2 different machines with 2 different local networks and you use their address, then this update won't be happening. Okay, because the network uses this local network. So, and before that it was not adding because this account already existed. That's why in the previous accounts this was not adding. So anyway, it's no big deal. I just had to create a new account. So that's all right. So this is all for this video. In the next video, we are going to see some more concepts for blockchain. I hope you are now able to understand how the blockchain actually works, how the ethers and everything are sent in a blockchain. All right. So this is all for this video. In the next video, we are going to see some more concepts and more theoretical concepts basically, which are there, which makes the blockchain, that is proof of work, Merkle root tree and all that. Okay, so this is all for this video. See you guys in the next video.